Okay, we know there's a major winter weather event making its way to Northeast Ohio this weekend. I made a big mistake. I used the B word talking about this storm during our 6 p.m. newscast. I'm in a little bit of trouble with the experts, so here to explain why this is not a blizzard, Jessica Van Meter.
We already went through the lecture with Peter, so we're going to go through it with everybody else. We're not talking blizzard-like conditions here. This is not the blizzard of 78. Don't worry about that. Here's all of our alerts right now. We got a lot of colors. We've got winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, winter storm watches, ice storm warnings to the south. None of those colors mean blizzard. Blizzard is orange, so we are fine there. Why don't we have a blizzard? For it to be a blizzard, we need wind that's going to be at least 35 miles per hour, visibility that's under a quarter of a mile, and all of that needs to happen for at least 3 hours. Doesn't matter how much snow actually falls. It's more about the wind, the visibility, and the duration. Those are the 3 elements we need for it to truly be a blizzard.
Okay, lesson learned. Stay safe, stay warm this weekend, and watch us here, WKYC3 News. Our weather team has you covered.
We'll be here all day Sunday.